just beginning by taking a deep breath in all the way through the nose and out the mouth, sighing out to release. Eyes closed, take a moment for yourself. And then with the next inhale, stretch your arms up, look up towards the fingertips. And as you exhale, draw the palms towards the heart center. Take a moment to set an intention. And then nice and slow, start to make your way onto your hands and your knees. Hands underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. As you inhale, start to arch the spine, draw the chin towards the chest and draw the navel in. And as you exhale, drop the belly, lift the head and open through the heart. Again, exhale, draw the chin towards the chest. And inhale, open up into your cow pose. Exhale, tuck the toes and push the hips high back to downward facing dog. Take a moment here as you press through the hands. Draw the navel back towards the spine and draw the upper arms back towards the feet. You can start to bend into one knee and then the other, just stretching through the backs of the legs. Just walking out your dog a little. And then with the next inhale, look towards the hands, take a big step forward into a halfway rise. Exhale to fold. Inhale, so to interlace your fingers behind the back, and as you exhale, big shoulder stretch as you draw the hands towards the floor, opening through the shoulders. Take a big breath in and a long breath out, and then release the hands down, find your Uttanasana, forward fold. With the next inhale, push through the feet, sweep the arms out and up, big stretch up, look up towards the fingertips. And as you exhale, hands towards the heart center. Take a moment here, big breath in. Stretch up, look up towards the fingertips. And as you exhale, fold over the legs, Uttanasana, forward fold. Inhale, take a halfway rise, halfway lift. And exhale, nice and slow. Step the legs back into a plank pose. Balls of the feet below the heels. Exhale, come down halfway, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale brings you all the way back to downward facing dog. Take a few deep breaths here. Full breath in through the nose and out through the nose. Inhale, lift the right leg high, and as you exhale, bend the knee and open the hip, big hip yawn. Inhale to re-extend the leg. And as you exhale, nice and slow, draw the knee towards the nose and step the right foot forward in between the hands. From here, straighten through the front leg, come up on the ball of the back foot and find a pyramid pose. Inhale brings you back, runner's lunge. Exhale, back to pyramid, forehead towards the shin. Inhale, runner's lunge. Exhale, step the left foot forward, Uttanasana, forward fold. Inhale, push through the feet, sweep the arms out and up, big stretch up, look up towards the fingertips. Maybe a little back bend here as you exhale, come all the way back down, Uttanasana. Inhale, take a halfway rise. And exhale, nice and slow, step it back, high plank. From here, Chaturanga, inhale, brings you through to up dog. Exhale, pulls you back, take a downward dog. Inhale, lift the left leg, spread through the toes, and as you exhale, bend the knee, open the hip, big hip yawn. Inhale to re-extend the leg. And as you exhale, nice and slow, step the foot forward in between the hands. Find a runner's lunge. As you exhale, pull back, wide-legged pyramid, forehead towards the shin, straighten through the front leg. Inhale, back to runner's lunge. Exhale, back to wide-legged pyramid. Inhale brings you through runner's lunge, and exhale, step the left foot forward. Exhale, fold Uttanasana. Inhale, push through the feet, sweep the arms out and up, big stretch up, look up towards the fingers. And exhale, hands come towards the heart center, close the eyes, take a moment. Inhale, big stretch up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway rise. And then exhale, step it back, find a high plank, and roll through your Vinyasa. Meeting all the way back in downward facing dog. Long deep breaths here. And as you inhale, step the right foot forward outside the right hand. Find a lizard lunge. Stay strong through the back leg, and then back knee comes down. From here, right hand comes up and over, and find a open-hearted lizard. Exhale, right hand comes back towards the inside edge of the right foot. And as you exhale, step the left foot forward and sink the hips down. Find a Yogi Squat. Inhale, push through the feet, sweep the arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Come back to your Samastiti. Inhale, arms raise. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway rise. And exhale, step it back. Find a plank pose. Roll through a Vinyasa. Inhale brings you through up dog. Exhale pulls you back downward dog. Inhale, look towards the hand, step the left foot forward outside the left hand. Press through the right hand, lift that left arm up and over, opening towards the left side of. Exhale, bring the left hand inside the left foot, and then slowly, can you step the right foot outside the right hand, find a Yogi Squat, sink the hips down, draw the hands towards the heart center. Find one energy line from the sacrum to the crown of the head. Good from here, nice and slow. You can use your hands, or you can just make your way all the way down onto the bum. And then slowly making your way onto your back, palms face the sky and feet fall out to the sides. Let's find your Shavasana. Taking a moment with your eyes closed, take a deep breath in, all the way down into the belly. Feel the belly rise. And as you exhale, big sigh out the mouth to release. And just a couple more like that, big breath in. And as you exhale, let it go. Coming all the way through into a space of rest. Noticing the space all around you. The sensations of the earth holding you up. Connecting to your soft breath and allowing yourself to sink down into the floor. And in your own time, you can stay here for the next 5, 10, 15 minutes, or in your own time making your way onto one side. And gently pushing up into a comfortable seat, eyes closed, hands towards the heart center. And opening the eyes. Ready to start the rest of your day. Namaste.